Hi guys, it's your girl Jana and welcome back to another boring vlog. So disclaimer, if you don't want to watch cringy vlogs like this, you can skip the video. Thanks! Anyways, for today's video, I will be sharing my food trip experience with my family. So currently, I am a first year BS Pharmacy student, and because we know college students are really on a stressful schedule because of the flowing activities and exams, that's why my family decided to eat outside so we can unwind, relieve stress, spend more time together, and see the beauty of life. 𝒟𝑜𝓃''𝓉 So while we are eating, I just want to share some fun facts about the Philippines because I have read a book yesterday and it was so interesting. So first, the Philippines is really made up of 7,641 islands, making it one of the largest archipelagos in the world. But more than 5,000 of the islands remain unnamed on most international maps. Second, due to the large volume of text messages sent throughout the country, the Philippines has earned its nickname as the text capital of the world. Third, the Philippines is the only Asian nation that is predominantly Christian. While many of its Southeast Asian neighbors practice Buddhism, 86% of the Filipino population is Roman Catholic. And lastly, 3 of the 10 largest shopping malls in the world are located in the Philippines. Our next destination is Quidapawan City. Quidapawan is located at the foot of Mount Apo in the southeastern section of Cotabato Province. It covers a total land area of 358.47 square kilometers and located at the foot of Mount Apo. It is a popular destination from late October to December and in the summer, when thousands of tourists climb the country's highest mountain. They have many restaurants to offer. Their Filipino dishes are very colorful, combined with vegetables, seafood, lean meat, and others, drawn from a rich cultural history and a good diversity of flavors, aroma, and colors that make up the best Filipino cuisine. That's why I highly recommend Filipino dishes to suit and delight your appetite. Family get-together or bondings like this are very important because research has shown that children who share a strong bond with their family performs better in studies and extracurricular activities and have lesser chances to get involved in dangerous activities. That's why spending quality time with family improves the emotional being of any person and helps them to be mentally relaxed and fit. Okay, my advice for students who experience lots of stress and anxiety these days are: first, take your mind off by doing something you enjoy and that will distract you for a while. Like, example, listening to music, reading, baking, or making crafts. Second, eat healthy and consume fresh foods. Third, change your mindset and adopt a positive attitude. Fourth, take a break from social media. Because comparing yourself and your productivity to others is a recipe for disaster and a waste of time. Fifth, laugh and smile, because laughing out loud actually increases oxygen and blood flow, which immediately reduces stress and anxiety. Always remember that a good life needs some bad days. Therefore, work hard, aim high, believe in yourself, and pray so that at the end you can achieve your great success. Again, thank you for watching, even though it's really cringy and boring. So you can comment down below for shout outs and YouTube requests. Stay safe and love yourself. Bye!